Oh, it's really fun. It's great for the whole family, the whole kit. All the kids were loving it. They really enjoyed it. It's just beautiful. It's brilliant. Loved it.
Hello, I thought that was brilliant. The kids absolutely enjoyed it. At the end they just said awesome. So there you go.
So what did you think of Peter Pan?
It was good.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
What was your favourite bit?
When he had a Paris pants.
And what would you say to somebody your age wanted to come and see it? Would they enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Brilliant. And what did you think? Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favourite bit? Did you like Peter Pan?
Yeah.
Was he your favourite? Brilliant. Thank you.
And it's been lovely to see all the children here enjoying themselves.
It was very good. It was unexpected because I was expecting something traditional.
But did you enjoy?
But we enjoyed it.
Yeah?
Yes, we did. We really
Brilliant.
enjoyed it. Yes.